Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean rig and the animation editor. Open the plugin and place your character in T-pose so bones are predictable. Once done, import short reference clips, 1/2 to 3 seconds, because loops must blend smoothly. Make sure rig scale and naming match Roblox standards, and then create a new animation object in Explorer. Assign a sensible priority like idle or movement so transitions behave correctly later. Next, you craft the actual idle motion by focusing on subtlety. Animate torso and head with gentle sway and offset arm motion by 1/2 to avoid robotic symmetry. Use the curve editor to smooth easing and to pin loop points, and minimize root translation so the character doesn't slide. Once your key poses sit at start, mid, and end, 0, 50, and 100%, scrub the timeline to confirm the loop reads as continuous and natural. Finally, export the animation, copy the asset ID, and load it at runtime with Animator, load animation or humanoid, load animation. Play with fade time to blend into other states. Make sure priority settings don't conflict so your idle overrides or yields correctly. If you see popping or jitter, verify the rig scale matches, check exact loop timing, and reduce root movement. Changing priority or trimming a frame often fixes most glitches. Save iterations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.